I will share with you the fastest way to change car color in Canva, and you can do it for absolutely free. So let's start with it. So I'll bring this car photo in the canvas, which you can download in from pastels.com, and the link will be in the description. And let's make it to the same size as the canvas. Let's unzoom it and make it size bigger. Okay, so our image is ready, and after that I will just duplicate it. Okay, and in the upper layer I will just click on BG remover, and recently here is the effect which came here in Canva, is very cool. And so as you can see, the background is removed from the top layer, and I will just unzoom a little bit again, and I will just crop out the parts from the upper layer. Okay, and after that I will just quickly click on edit, and then I will click on adjust, scroll all the way down to find the color edit part. So as you can see, three colors are here, but we need just the red color. As you can see, the car color is red in color. So I will just change the hue part and change the color. So let's start with it. So the here is plus 100, this is minus 100, and I will just change it to minus 20 or plus 20, and you can see the color change. So minus 20, let's see. Okay, so this is the first color. To bring out the most of any out of this color, just change the saturation to 100. Okay, and you can just increase the brightness a little bit so that the color becomes more enhanced. So the texture is here. Now we will try the next step to change it to another color, which is minus 40. So as you can see, this is the purple color. Now we will try minus 60. So this is a blue color. Let's try minus 80. Okay, so this is a lighter blue, and as you can see, if we go to the last part, it will be more lighter of the blue. So I will go to plus 20 now. So it is looking a golden shade here. Now I will go to plus 40. So this is a lighter green or a golden green type of shade. I will go to 60. So this is the perfect bottle green color, as you can see in here. So if you want to make it more enhanced, just go to 80. And as you can see, this is green, darker green shade. And if you want to increase the darkness, just work on the brightness. So the brightness is plus 20, make it minus 40. And you can find the dark green color here. And in this way you can just work on these three settings, this hue, saturation and the brightness, to get the different types of color. And it is the easiest way to make the car color change in Canva for absolutely free. So I hope you like this tutorial. This is very easy one. to follow, and I hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.